Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. So we are back on the river, but we got something else with us. We're solo today, so you guys are going to see some GoPro footage. I'm sorry. But we got that new motor in, or the motor that we took out the first time because it was pushing out stuff. So we're going to put our stuff on and I'll catch you guys in a minute. So we got safety first. So GoPro, we're gonna actually put it on the back and face it so you guys can see the props. That way I can see the props. But anyway, we brought the chainsaw so we can cut some trees down so we can get through farther. So let's get to it. We did this yesterday, and somebody forgot to charge the batteries, or the battery, so you gotta stay tuned. Alright, so ran to the very big cluster. I don't think we're going to be able to clean this one up. This one's it's pretty deep. Well, not deep, but like there's a lot here. So it's just a bummer because I was hoping we could go a little bit farther than what we did. But I think you guys would see in the GoPro, we went under a tree. We're going to go back to that tree and cut that down so we can, because we have a really big storms coming. So we're going to try to help the river flow a little faster and a little easier. We're going to get rid of that tree right there because it's sticking out. It's going to collect all these tree logs. But as you guys can see right now, we're in a pretty heavy current, which the John boat's taking it like a boss. But see all that stuff? This is what happens when people throw their trash out and don't care where it goes. Look at all it. For all you people that throw trash out, pretty sure right there's a tire. 2 tires. That one has a rim. That one, unknown. But for the people that don't care about our environment, this is going in our waterways and it's, you know, polluting the waterways like this. So do everyone a favor, throw your trash away, please. So we're gonna let the current take us. See, this is how fast the current is going, and it was idling up here. So I think we did good with the John boat. So we're gonna probably hit land somewhere, or logs. But we did finally download a speedometer app. So we did download a speedometer app, and we are going, what was it, 27, 28, so pretty decent. So we're gonna get this tree cut up. We're gonna get this one cut up, that way it's out of the way and it can go down the stream. Yes, I know I just said clean the environment up, but come on. I thought about taking the John boat and see if I can pull them out, but we'll see what we can do. Alright, so we're at another standstill, I guess. I guess that's what you call it. So what we're going to do, I have no idea what we're going to do. We need to push some of this over there, that way we can try to get this out. So we're going to get to it. You guys enjoy the time lapse. I'll catch you guys all in a flash. We're out here on the dam. You guys see where I'm walking on? Walking on a log. There's no way to get around here. I beached the John boat basically. So I don't know what to do now. I got some stuff coming through, but I guess I need to just get all this stuff coming through. Maybe some of it will start peeling through. So we're gonna jump back over there, try to push some of this down, because there's pretty good rapid right here. So I mean, if we get this log to push out of the way, because we won't be able to fit under here. We'll fit under here, but not here. So bad situation. I'd like to go back there, but don't know if we'll be able to. There's no way to get over through there because, well, maybe there is. Maybe that's a better spot over there, but there's a lot more stuff because we got to clear all the way through there. Here's basically done. So we're gonna get to it. Catch you guys all in a flash. Uh-oh. Ricky Prince. Or Ricky Poop. Oh, this is jumping. I don't know if there's a... I don't know if you guys see that. See how that guy's jumping like that? Maybe there's a catfish on it. Maybe. Probably not, but, you know, it's fun to, you know, wish and dream. So, catch you guys all in a flash. Alright, so we've been working on this for a while. I had this up just trying to suck out some water. But we made it this far. We're not, I mean, we're so close to right there, but I don't know how much I should push the John boat because we got, I don't know how far, but we got a ways up there to go. So I don't want to push it and put a hole in it and be more water than what's already in here. What a bummer. So we're gonna get turned around and try to get out here without, I don't know, without trying to do something. We're gonna try to get out of here, all right? So we'll catch you guys in a minute. All right, we're stuck. We're stuck in this trap. Trying to do a good deed, get stuck. Imagine that. I don't know what log we're getting caught on. Maybe a couple of these. Maybe that guy. Get you out of here. Alright, so we're going to try to keep trying, but this is what we're going for right now. Alright, well, 45 minutes later, we finally got out of the hole. Made a little dent, so hopefully when we get that storm in a couple days, it's supposed to rain like 4 or 5 days constant, so hopefully we can get this all cleaned up for every boater that's out there. Hopefully. So we're gonna switch over to GoPro, head back up to the dock, and we're gonna call it because right there, that wore me out. So catch you guys all on the GoPro. Alright, so there you guys see it. We tried to have a little fun, got in trouble. Hopefully next video the water should be up and we're gonna be able to go through some places. So until then, we'll catch you guys in a flash. Guys, so I just checked the GPS. Hold on, there's a car going by. Anyways, just check GPS. We went 7.2 miles in the old jet boat. Pretty dang good, I thought. Don't know how much fuel we used actually, so once we get home I'll check and see how much we got used. But we went 7.2 miles, went maximum speed of 30 miles an hour. So you guys know the deal. We're ready for the big one. You guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys go hit subscribe button. Just go like, go comment something. Our end got taken away, but you know, be alright. So, like I said, went awesome. I'm walking around the boat several times just to make sure we got everything. Looks like we do. So, catch you guys on the next one.